Greetings. On today's video I am going to show an overview of the latest version of Zorin OS and some of the applications pre-installed. Zorin OS is an Ubuntu-based Linux distribution designed especially for newcomers to Linux. It has a Windows-like graphical user interface and many programs similar to those found in Windows. One and Play on Linux can be easily installed in Zorin OS, allowing users to run compatible Windows software for ease of transition. The distribution's ultimate goal is to provide a Linux alternative to Windows and let Windows users enjoy all the features of Linux without complications. Thanks to the advanced security features of Linux, Zorin OS is resistant to PC viruses and malware. Security patches and software updates arrive quickly and are available for years to come. Zorin OS has some distinctive features that set it apart from other Linux distributions. The most renowned one is the purposeful attempt to provide a Windows 7-like experience by default, although through the use of the Zorin appearance, users can choose the theme that best suits them. Zorin OS's creators maintain 3 free-of-charge editions of the operating system, and an Pro edition for purchase. The initial release of Zorin OS was on July 1, 2009. Zorin OS uses systemd as init software and supports Btrfs, X3, Ext4, JFS, RiserFS and XFS file systems. For package management, Zorin OS uses apt. Here you can see the commands to install software from the command line using the apt package manager. For self-contained applications, Zorin OS uses Snap and Flatpak. Zorin OS includes version 5.11.0 of the Linux kernel. Some of the default applications of this release of Zorin OS are Firefox, Evolution, GAMP, Rhythmbox and LibreOffice. Please feel free to tell me what you think of the latest release of Zorin OS in the comments section. Thank you for watching the video, and please help the channel by sharing, leaving a like and subscribing.